scene. Okay, now this scene is the trial scene. Understand it here. That scene takes place in Venice. Now what is the place here is, we know that the scene takes place where? In Venice only. And what is the actual place? It's actually the court. Okay, they are present where? In the court of justice. Enter the Duke and other magnificios. Magnificios means the other magnificent people. Plus, who else enters the scene? Antonio and Bassanio, plus Bresciano, Celerio, and others. Okay, now this scene is all about the presence or the basic presence of all these people, where they all have come in the court. This scene is called as the trial scene. Remember that in your board examinations also, the questions if are put up, they can be put up in this manner, that what had happened in the trial scene. So this is what is called as the trial scene, and you will have to learn it in this manner only. So this is called as a trial scene, where the Duke was present, Antonio was present. Where were all of them present? Was they were all present in the court. Why? Because this had, or you can say this is all about the justification. Justification was to be given to whom? To Shylock and to Antonio as well. Okay. Now Duke says, what is Antonio here? Now he is questioning over here that what is Antonio here means. It's actually a way to start with the conversation. So he starts to say that whether Antonio is present over here or not. Antonio says, ready, so please your grace. That means I'm already present over here. So please your grace means to please you. That means I'm already present over here. Duke says, I'm sorry for you. Thou art come to answer a stony adversary. Now in this speech you will find that the Duke is actually reflecting a sense of regret, and moreover he also feels sorry for Antonio. Why he feels sorry for Antonio over here is just because you will find that the Duke is talking to Antonio and he is really feeling very bad for Antonio, that he has come to answer a stone-hearted person. Adversary means you can say opponent. Stony means a stone-hearted person. So he is saying that I am really feeling sorry for you, that you have come over here to answer to a stone-hearted person, an inhuman wretch, incapable of pity. That means you have come for a person who is actually inhuman in nature. Moreover, incapable of pity means who has no sense of pity in his heart for anyone. He is having no sense of pity in his heart for anyone. Void and empty from any dram of mercy. That means he is actually absolutely void means devoid of. That means he is not carrying any kind of mercy, or he is not carrying any kind of mercy in his heart. That's why he says that his heart is absolutely empty with any sense of mercy. Antonio shows his gratitude and shows his thankfulness, saying this speech. He says, I have heard your grace has taken great pains to qualify his rigorous course. Now he says over here that I have heard that you have taken great pains to qualify his rigorous course. Who is his over here? Shylock. So what had the Duke done is, the Duke has talked to Shylock. Moreover, the Duke has also talked and you can say tried in number of ways so as to make Shylock understand that there was no point in taking out the pound of flesh. Rather, it was better that he should take the money and leave Antonio's life. So that's why he says that I also have heard this, that you yourself, your grace has taken great pains to qualify his rigorous course. Qualify here refers to moderation, or you can say something, you can say in a terms of normalization. So he is saying that I know that you have also taken great pains to normalize the rigorous course, means the strict court proceedings which were to be held over there, and for that you can say that the Duke has also tried number of ways so as to make sure that Antonio does not lose his life. But since he stands obdurate, but he is knowing this, that who is he over here? He is here Shylock. So he said, because Shylock is very, very adamant. Obdurate means adamant, and that no lawful means can carry me, and moreover, there are no lawful methods who can save me from the envious clutches, from out of his envious reach means from the envious clutches of Shylock. Envious reach means the envious clutches of Shylock. He says, I do oppose my patience to his fury. That means now I am going to face what? His furious behavior. His furious behavior in a very patient manner. That means he is going to face the furious behavior of Shylock very patiently. Okay, that is what he is meaning to say, that I am going to now face the furious behavior of Shylock in a very patient manner, and I am armed to suffer with a quietness of spirit. And he also says that I am also prepared to suffer with a quietness of spirit. That means with a quiet spirit, the very tyranny and the rage of it. That means he is already very well prepared. Armed means he is very well prepared mentally also, that the tyranny and the anger and the rage of Shylock. So basically he tells over here that what has he already prepared his mind for. Moreover, he also knew this very well, that if things will happen in favor of Shylock, things are definitely going to be very harsh and hard with him. Okay, is this clear till here?